You can train your brain to crave studying, the same way it craves doom scrolling at 2 a.m. Sounds impossible? It isn't. Your brain already loves learning. It just doesn't love the way you've been trying to learn. To understand how to flip this switch, you need to know one simple thing. You're not lazy. Your dopamine system is calibrated for distraction, not focus. Think about it. You can scroll for hours like it's nothing, but open a textbook and suddenly your brain acts like you've asked it to climb Everest. Why? Dopamine. Every swipe gives you a hit, a joke, a shock, a cute animal, a random fact. Your brain gets fireworks with zero effort. Studying? It's slow. It's quiet. It doesn't instantly reward you, so your brain ranks it at the bottom of your pleasure list. But here's the twist no one tells you. You can rewire that ranking. And when you do, studying becomes weirdly addictive. And this happens in 2 steps. Step 1. Reset your dopamine sensitivity. Right now, your brain is like a speaker at max volume. Everything normal sounds boring. You need to turn that volume down, not by disappearing into the mountains, but with tiny daily resets that recalibrate your dopamine baseline. Try this. 10 to 15 minutes a day with zero stimulation. No phone, no music, no scrolling. Just boredom. Pure boredom. Your brain will freak out at first. That discomfort? That urge to grab your phone? It's withdrawal from constant dopamine spikes. Stick with it for a week. By day 7, something interesting happens. Small things, sunlight, silence, reading a single paragraph, start to feel good again. Your brain becomes more responsive to slower, deeper rewards. But stopping here is the mistake most people make. Lowering your baseline is just step 1. Step 2. Make studying rewarding. Raise it on your pleasure scale. You don't just want studying to feel possible. You want it to feel rewarding. To do that, you need to give your brain dopamine during the learning process, not after. Here's how top learners do it. 1. Break your study sessions into micro wins. Your brain loves progress. Tiny progress. After every small section, check it off. That check mark is a mini dopamine hit. 2. Use 25-minute focus sprints. Not 2 hours of torture. Just 25 minutes. Your brain can handle a sprint better than a marathon. 3. Teach the material out loud. Your brain gets a reward when it feels mastery. Explaining something, even to an empty room, activates that system instantly. 4. Add sensory variety. Colored pens, handwritten notes, sketches. These small differences stimulate your brain's visual and motor centers. 5. Connect the material to your real life. Studying psychology? Connect it to your relationships. Learning biology? Connect it to your workouts. Studying finance? Relate it to your favorite brand's pricing strategy. The more relevant something feels, the more dopamine your brain releases. And here's the real secret. Don't study because you should. Study because you're curious. Obligation drains motivation. Curiosity fuels it. When you shift from, I have to learn this, to, I want to understand this, your entire brain changes how it responds. The transformation. This is real. I've seen people who couldn't focus for 5 minutes become obsessed with learning, not because they're geniuses, but because they rewired their dopamine system. It starts slow. 1 15-minute detox, 1 25-minute study sprint. After 2 weeks, concentration improves. After a month, studying actually starts to feel good. You crave the progress, the challenge, the mastery. Your brain isn't broken, it's just adapted to the wrong rewards. Give it better ones, and it follows. If this helped you rethink your approach to learning, hit subscribe. I share weekly strategies backed by neuroscience to help you focus deeper, learn faster, and build the kind of brain you're proud of. And tell me in the comments, which technique are you trying first?